Watch how simple puddles become a work of art. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm creating a fluid art piece using puddle pour technique with designs drawn right into the paint. This process reminds me that beauty often starts with small beginnings, just a drop of color at a time. I layer magenta, purple, blue, light blue, gold, and white puddles across the canvas. Using the skewer, I pull delicate lines through the paint, creating patterns that dance and swirl together. Then I tilt the canvas to guide the flow into a stunning final design. In fluid art, a puddle pour is when you layer paint in small circular pools before manipulating them into a larger composition. The moment the colors blended together is pure magic, like the painting has its own heartbeat. Art teaches us that with patience and care, individual pieces can come together to create something greater. Look at those swirls, the bold magenta, the cool blues, and that shimmering gold. Every inch tells its own story. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, stay creative and keep painting.